Hey everyone, as you can tell by the title, I'll be making my pizza pockets. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. Now, I normally do any one of these. Any one of these will work, except this one will come out sweeter. Let's get started. So I have my dough rolled out, and I'm gonna use something like this to cut each one. If you want, you can use a cup or a bowl. But this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, now that I have them all cut out, they should look like this. And I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a small scoop like this. You're gonna put it in the middle. If you make yours too saucy, it's going to end up bleeding out on the sides, and you don't really want that. And then you're gonna get your cheese, put that on top, and then you're gonna get your pepperoni, the dough, and put it on top. Get a fork, and you're gonna seal the sides. Now this one's ready, and you're going to lay it down the pan. Okay, so it should look like this. And you're gonna get your egg. It'd be easier with a brush, but I don't have one. You're gonna just lay it on top like this. Just a thin layer. It doesn't need to be thick or anything. And you're gonna place this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, it's ready. Alright guys, they should look something like this. Make sure to cool them off before you eat them. Alright guys, tell me what you think. Let me know if you try it, and if you're interested in seeing more recipes, please like and subscribe.